This big, I think it's the power. I'll come later also.
Okay.
After some time I'll come.
Yeah. Thank you. Now only the UPS is here.
UPS and keyboard.
Happy?
This is the brain of my CPU, Ryzen 7 3rd gen processor. It has a stock fan with an RGB light. That's the one. And here is the motherboard. Aura's B450 Pro Wi-Fi, Ryzen ready, desktop ready, RGB. It has an RGB as well. It's from Gigabyte B450 series. It's a Wi-Fi, inbuilt Wi-Fi. This is how the motherboard looks inside, and I'll be doing the unboxing of this. So let's go ahead. Before we do this, let's get ready for the unboxing of all these components. And for the external HDD hard drive, I got a Toshiba 1 TB. This is the one. And for my OS operating system, I'll be using this Western Digital Green M.2, which is an SSD 480 GB. And for my power supply PSU is this Cooler Masters 550 230 volt 80 plus 230 volt. Okay, this is the cabinet for the build, PC build, and we're going to unbox this. Unbox this. It's a box from Cooler Master, MB 511 RGB. Lighting's not good. It's a net one, yes, that's what I wanted. It's okay. It's amazing. I'm sorry, you can see my wife's leg. But there's a fan also here, that's very good. And the IOUs, I think it comes with this. Let's see what they have given. There's a magnetic dust filter. That's a beautiful thing. Nice. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 RGB lights, and you can see it is a quite well built cabinet, and it's heavy also. This is literally very heavy, and as I was told, this cabinet was, they had to pay extra money because of this weight. They had to pay extra. It has a net, plus the front side also is a net. It's a very good for, I like it how they have a thumb screws, 2 thumb screws to take out the back panel. This is the back side of the place. As you can see, we have a few wires running down here, and you have enough space behind for the power supply, and there's a dust filter down here as well. And along with the thing, you get these are, let's see, what are these things? And this is the gel. Sorry. Zip ties. Zip ties. risers and some screws. If you have, these are for the motherboards, I guess. I'm not so expert on all of this. And these are probably a remote for what. You can see it all in the manuals. Maybe for the few wires here. Here you can see you can access. Baby, you also want to see? This is for the hard drives. You can mount it here. And you can, after mounting, you can just put it inside. So there are two mounts here. You can see there's another cool feature is that this is for an SSD. You can shift it from here to here. And this is to tighten it. So there are two places. And for my RAM, I have got a DDR4 16 GB. So 1 by 16, 3 image. There's only one. Maybe later I'll be buying another stick of 16 GB. Zotac Gaming G4 GTX graphic card 1660. 6 GB DDR5 Firestorm. So let's do the unboxing for this. Hi baby, say hi. So it's sealed. This one I bought separately from Amazon because where was I getting was like kind of overpriced. So I requested my buyer to get it from Amazon, and I got it pretty good price. So the money which I saved, I got the hard drive because I was getting it without hard drive. Now that this is there, so let's start unboxing this. Okay, cool. Cool. I wish I could keep my phone. So this is the Aorus B450 Pro Wi-Fi. This thing is a RGB light. The lights will shine. And here also light will shine. And here is the main stuff. The heart of this the CPU will go here. If you're a computer freak, you would know all of this. And this one is for an M.2 slot, and I guess this is another 2 slots for M.2. I don't know. This is a smaller one, this is a bigger version. And I guess there's a lights here also. Wow. That's nice. You can see color here. As you can see, it's written in the small letters what to put here. USB 3.0, and then these are normal USBs. What is this TPM? I don't know. Oh, I think for the fans, and this for the audio. This is for giving a good sound for your PC. Heat sinks, amazing. I like it. I was planning to get some other one, but then I was saving a lot of money in this, so it's okay. Others I would have was planning for what's that other company? Rogue something, still Rogue something, a different company. But then this is cool, good to know. We'll wait for the person who helped me install this will come here. And as you see the back panel, USB 3 slot here, HDMI. This are for the Wi-Fi, and let's see Type C USB and USB 3.1, and these are the USB 3.0. Okay, and all the options here for line in and line out, and it's cool for. There's the okay, cool. That's all. The graphic card here. This thing. What is this? Letter? Nice. Please sign up before. Please sign up before. Some installation process manual, I guess. Thank you, but I don't need it. Do I? Maybe not, I don't know. And so here is my graphic card. It's not that a big of a graphic card, but it's so here is my Zotac graphic card. How cool is that? Got two fans, and that's how it's going to go. It's going to go like this, and this, I think it's an RGB, this one. I hope so. Is it? No, it's not. So there you go, guys. This is my graphic card, and the power is currently here. Next off is my AMD Ryzen 7 unboxing. Okay, let's unbox it. Sticker, yes. And this is a fan, steam fan. I opt for this. Crosshairs, process menus, DDR. Maybe later on in stage, if I have money, I'll get an RGB memory stick. We have actually I have ordered a crosshair. This is what it came. Master. 3 years warranty. Show you this one. Just so you know, this is on a hard drive. It's okay, you don't need to. It is so amazing. This has 400 GBs and it's just a small tiny piece. I thought I would get 1 TB, but then this is small stuff only. It's very expensive. then put this. Very carefully. His name is Riju. He has come to help me to assemble this.
You have fixed this one. Come to.
Yeah.
어글빵 같은
I'm sorry what to do. An old age man so happy. Yeah, all the baby.
Okay, so this was the unboxing, and you can see that's happy birthday sign. Thank you, mama and baby.
Welcome.
Daddy, lovely bird. Oh, baby also saying me happy birthday, papa. See, she want to kiss me.
Thank
So
you.
cute. Thank you.
Thank you, Daddy. Daddy, Daddy.
So that was all. See you. As you can see, this is a magnet Wi-Fi this thing receiver, so you can just put it anywhere. You put it here also. You can anywhere you can just stick it anywhere. So this one looks good. So guys, this was the best birthday ever. I'm out of words, you know how I feel. So I feel so happy and blessed. This would have not been possible without few people, and I would like to thank them. Firstly, I would like to thank God for keeping me and my family safe and sound and healthy, especially at this epidemic which is going on. And secondly, I would like to thank my mom and dad for showing love and support. Yes, even my in-laws, they too are very supportive and caring, and I just feel blessed, and I love you. Thirdly, my favorite person in the universe, she is the best sister of all time and space. Time and space. It was really not possible without her. I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, everybody who were there, who were very supportive. My wife and my kid, Valreen, I love you both as well. Thank you so much for being so supportive of me and loving me and making this birthday a special one. So, and yeah, lastly, there's one more person I need to thank. and I would like to thank this person, the person that you saw in my video, the one who was working on my computer, helped me build and set up the PC. Yes, if you got his name is Riju Ghosh, and a big thanks to him, because he went out of his way, to help me get this PC, and that too made sure I got this on my birthday, on my birthday. So I would like to even inform you all, whoever is in Naxalbari or who lives nearby this area or is in Darjeeling district, or even close to Darjeeling district or near to our district, he provides a good service, and there are a lot of things that he provides: IT solution, software, hardware, security, surveillance, installation, or any kind of repair of your computer or components, printer, anything. So you can contact him. I will leave the information down. I'll give you a link. You can go and check that out. Let me tell you that this is not a sponsored video or paid. This is just an informative video. It's just a suggestion. Whoever needs it, you can help yourself by checking the link, and you can get his service, or whatever need you want. So guys, tell me, how did you like this PC build? How was it? Did you like it or not? Let me know. If you would like to know anything more about this, or have any questions or queries, please feel free to leave a comment below, and you can ask me anything, and I will see if I can answer your questions. And please do like and share and subscribe, and if you have not, please make sure you do it right now. And yeah, hit that bell icon as well, just to receive my notification every time I upload a new video. And I know I've been out of my YouTube channel quite lately, so please forgive me. I will try to make content for you, as there is lockdown going on, so it's like a free time for me to do something creative. I love to do something like this. And yeah, if you can even check my wife's YouTube channel, that one also is in. I will give the link in the description. And that channel is basically my wife and my babies, so they too are in that channel, so you can go there and subscribe to that channel as well. And I would like to thank everybody for watching my videos and supporting me. And yeah, I know this video has gone too way long, so I would like to end it here. Thank you so much for watching. Keep the peace. Ta-da.